6th?
Yeah, the 6th.
Today is Vlogmas day 6, and we're here at Walmart. We got Emmeline here. We got Fatai.
It's my debut, y'all.
And we have Chico.
Yeah, man.
And we're doing what's the game called?
A white elephant, but with stockings.
We're doing a white elephant with stockings, so we have to like stuff the stockings with gifts. So we're gonna come shopping here at Walmart, you know, to
See what they got.
some stuff, some socks, you know.
No, I got it. No, I push. This one don't want to.
Can't even pull the card out.
So, we're here.
We're here with Chico.
With Chico, and everybody want to try to leave us. So we need to find our own.
Oh, not the 88.
Hey, don't show him the 88. Very fat.
What about chocolate? What about it?
Okay, you ready for your debut?
No, wait, my eyes are still red.
Oh my god.
So you guys want to do Hershey's?
You can't that's not gonna fit in a stocking.
No, I know. It's just for the kids.
Oh. Like, how you gonna
Skill
stick
level 2. We definitely need a skill level 1.
We need a 1, skill level 1.
Because our kids don't know how to do nothing.
Okay, let's see. What can we find? What can we put in a stocking? I don't know what we can put in this stocking. I feel like I gotta buy something and like take it out the box and put it in the stocking. I don't know. Ooh, I'm gonna put this. Shout out to Mel. Mel got us one of these for the head, to scratch your head, and yeah, it's nice. It's called a scalp massager, so I'm gonna throw that in my thing. So shout out to Tamel for that. She probably don't watch my videos because she don't like me, but it is what it is. I'm gonna put this in there. I'm gonna put one of these in mine.
Oh, yeah, you are. Look at how cute this is. You want to do this one too? We can do like a boys versus girls.
Sure.
Look at those.
What level is that one?
I don't know.
That one
I
doesn't
feel
have a
like
level.
that will do, donkey. I just wanted to eat that one though.
Oh, you don't even want to make the house, you just want to eat it?
Yeah.
I feel like if we're gonna get like we can get like something like this, we just have to like take it out the box.
Yeah, that's true.
I just gave a shout out to Tanel, but she probably don't watch the videos.
She probably what?
Doesn't watch our videos.
Oh. Well, you could say, shout out to you.
I shouted her out because, you know, she had bought us one of those scalp things.
Here.
Ooh, we have over-the-door speed bag. I don't know. What would you put in a stocking, like if you were just gonna fill it up with gifts?
Okay. Oh, well, let's go with like small round stuff, not big, not mom.
Well, I was telling her, like, you could get like something like those in the boxes and just take it out the box
Oh, yeah.
and then put it in there. Hurry up, Fatai. The people are waiting for your big debut.
I know, I get so excited. Yeah, let me know when my eyes ain't red. So
Look.
I don't look like I'm a pie.
Look, you got red eyes, okay? Look, don't judge the red eyes. See, I told them not to judge. They're ready.
Oh, just like that?
Just like that.
Where are you going?
Take me to that little place, like how we're gonna.
Take them to the little place.
Oh, they have dollar ones here too. Oh, here.
Yeah,
Like this.
those are the ones we got.
Yeah.
Those are $1.
Yeah. So this is what you get.
I was trying to get one of them like
Yeah,
nice
like
$10
gift.
fancy one, and she wouldn't let me.
And then we're gonna take it to the family thing. Put it
Because
all
I
in
was
a
gonna get
circle,
one of
and
those
then
nice
everyone
ones and then
grabs
fill it
one,
in
and
there
then
with
you
just
can fight
crap.
over the
And then
stock.
everybody's gonna go for it because it's
That's why
nice.
we have to get like good gifts.
This shit in there. From Dollar Tree. I just gotta open up mine so I can fit it.
Yeah, so we
before
can
I
start
grab
putting
it.
stuff in there, so we can know how much you need. You know what I'm saying?
I don't understand what you're saying, but it's
He says he needs subtitles.
We need subtitles. Okay, why are we walking down here? Oh, what color is the gift wrap? For Ty. I do not.
The lighting is good in here.
You just buy gift wrap.
Wow.
Can we just match it, please?
You don't color coordinate your gift wrap?
Who does that? We do.
No, you do.
You
Yeah.
like to color coordinate.
No, I don't.
Like you literally buy one each for one child.
Yeah.
For one child. That way they don't have to look to see whose name it is. They
Why?
already
That's the
know.
fun. Like,
Oh my gosh! And then it's like. Oh, I felt like I want to put a gift card in.
You should put like $1 gift card.
Oh my gosh.
Just put. Get a.
Like a Visa one.
Yeah, just put $1 on there.
Oh my gosh. It made me so mad. This one?
It's gonna cost you more to load that
load
dollar than it is.
Walmart doesn't charge a little bit.
Hey, can you take me somewhere else?
Where do you want to go?
You know where Chico likes to go?
You should have gotten that. Tell him to say it again.
Ask me a question. What was it?
Where do you want to go?
Can you take me somewhere?
Can you take me somewhere else, Chico?
You're Chico.
Oh!
Okay, take two.
Yeah, take two.
Good
Hey.
go.
Can you take me where Chico likes to go?
No, you have to say it exactly how you did the first time.
Say, hey, can you take me somewhere else?
Okay. Hey. Can you take me somewhere else?
Where do you want to go?
I just don't feel comfortable with the girl's thing behind you. Hey, no! Come over here. Take me.
This guy, you forgot what you said?
Where do you want to go, though, for real?
No, can you take me so I can fill out my socks?
Oh, you want to fill up your sock? Chico. Let's see, let's find something. Let's go over here.
Anything with Christmas, I feel like
You want to put some candy in there? Everybody likes candy. Look, they like these right here.
oh, nice.
Yeah, you just put like 2 or 3 things in there.
Nice.
Get some candy.
See, dude, I never did this shit. Okay, so,
You want to put more candy in there?
no.
Or you want to go down here and see what else they got? All right.
You're a really, really good guy, bro. So hopefully you think from today and hopefully we find more great things in life. One day.
One day. You said you wanted something that smells good?
Smells really good.
Look, here's like a candle. Let's see. Well, you can just finish it off with the candle.
Yeah.
Put the candle right on top. These candles. Smells good? Let's see. Not bad. It's Rice Krispie treats.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's not good. That's good.
Yeah?
Well, look, here's what you just ate.
What?
Banana nut bread.
Dude, that's fire. No, but I don't think I wanted the Christmas thing to last, not just to take it off right away when Christmas is done. But just, oh, this is a really good one. You show me that one.
The sweet apple.
Good apple.
It's right here.
5, 3.
Yeah, $4.
$4 is good. I closed mine.
That's good. That's all you need. Oh, don't drop it.
No, I won't. Dude, this is pretty good.
Yeah, that's a good basket. That's a good thing right there. You're good. So we got the candle, the back scratcher, hot cocoa, and the candy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Pretty good.
Now we gotta go find these women. Who knows where they went?
Hey.
She don't like none of my ideas. I don't even know why I'm shopping with her.
Hey, we can ring this up.
Right here?
What the pickup number is?
You're already done?
Yeah.
Wow, that
He
was
bagged
so
it up.
fast.
It's a really cute one.
Wow.
I'm very interested to see.
Me too.
You wanna see it?
No, don't show us.
Don't show me.
We're gonna even ring it up, and you guys gonna see our stuff anyway.
Yeah.
Well, you two are gonna ring up, and we're gonna ring up.
I know what's
Oh,
in
you
it.
know
I
what it
helped
is.
them.
Oh, okay.
Not yet.
Wait.
Where's
just
my
put it in there.
phone?
I don't know. I called it. Did
Okay,
you
wait,
leave it in
hold
my
this.
truck?
Oh gosh.
Oh,
not ready.
Cute one. That's why I want.
They're not ready for the vlog life. She was so excited coming, and now she's scared to hold the camera. It smells like what?
The space.
Smells like Christmas.
It smells like Christmas in the morning.
Okay, sorry. I'll take it back. Emmeline, come on. I gotta finish finding my stuff.
Oh, so do I leave mine?
You can leave it in the cart.
And what do I do?
You can help me if you want to.
Yeah.
Come on. Camera bandits right here. Here we go. We're gonna take over the world.
Oh, you don't have to lift up your arm
Oh.
all the way up. Are you saying
It's
hi?
just a better angle,
Oh.
you know? Ooh.
Hey, no.
Why? Okay,
Yeah, here.
so we're gonna look through the $5 movies.
Yeah.
Selena y los dinos. Can this even fit in the stock?
No, it cannot fit.
Yeah, I can. Shoo, shoo.
No, you can only do one.
Oh, okay. I think we should do this one then. This is
camera holder.
Yeah. He didn't like the way I was holding it. You don't have to angle it. I said that's the best angle.
That's the best angle.
You're gonna put a DVD in there?
Yeah.
Who has a DVD player?
Yeah.
He said yeah.
No, I mean they don't know if your sister have one, but
Yeah, okay.
you know you could get it.
No, it's great. This is so hard.
Hey, how can I turn it?
You just turn it if you're gonna video yourself.
How?
So that's what you're seeing. Then you flip this around.
Oh, hi, Lo. Hey, what are you guys doing?
We're looking at these pajamas.
Sorry, my ride is going too fast. Hey, I don't know how to turn it.
What do you mean turn it?
Turn it to the other side. To
Oh,
the
to-
other
oh.
way.
Just bend it this way.
Really? What? Hey, wait. Hey, Jose, can you please take this camera off me? Oh, you want it?
Yes?
Okay, she is so red.
It's so random.
I'm not random, I'm Retta. This guy. Anyways,
What gifts do we get? You're so Retta.
what else? What else? There's something funny. Ooh! I just looked at that too.
Is succulents weird to put in gifts?
No.
I feel like it's a little weird.
Okay, but if we're gonna get
If
those,
you pulled this out of a stocking, would you be pissed?
no, you'd be happy. You put it on your desk.
You're gonna reach in and be like, ow! What the hell is that?
Okay, maybe a succulent is a little weird. What's something random?
Okay, maybe I do like the idea of a succulent.
Oh. I'm gonna go to Dollar
I
Tree.
feel like I want this one too.
I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree for my succulent, honey. What do you mean why? That's $5 for a fake one.
It's actually 4.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, great.
Okay, great. So let's go this way.
Where are you taking me?
To like the men's and women's department, you know?
Oh, are we gonna get funny T-shirts?
Oh, yeah. That too.
Huh.
Dude, what if we went to like Ross or something for...
I feel like we should.
Because that's where, you know,
hella early,
they
too.
have socks, you know?
I'm hungry.
Uh-uh.
I'm hungry.
We're finna go eat at home, girl. Oh. Chico!
Run!
Hurry!
Come here, dude. Chico! Chico, Chico! Hey, stop doing that! Come out here!
Oh!
So annoying. You're gonna get me a sock.
You're gonna give me a socks.
Yeah, for. Don't do that! You think it's funny?
It is funny. What'd you get?
Socks and
You
underwear.
got some socks and panties.
Yeah. Because Chico keeps stealing mine.
Dude, you stole mine!
Oh, why do you wear his panties?
No, I don't. I have
See?
mine. Dude, I have mine!
Are those Fruit of the Loom? Are those Jorge?
No, it's mine.
Did you even say anything, Fatai?
Okay, babe, we're gonna go to Ross after this.
Why?
No, we're
Because I
not.
can't find anything good here.
Man, just put some cheap shit in
Then
there.
you should
Oops.
check out
I should have said that on camera. They're gonna demonetize me for cussing.
Dude, boo.
I'm gonna have to
If I
bleep
was
that
in
out.
Idaho and I get paid right now, I would feel so happy. But I feel old. I'm one of those sad person that I just come for the road.
You just come for the road.
Yeah.
What does that even mean?
For the ride.
Oh,
Oh, I want one.
oh, put that in there. We're not looking for you. We're looking for the socks.
I know. Getting blitzing.
No, here. No, I want to switch it out.
Don't switch it out.
Don't change it.
Why?
Don't change your ways.
Don't do
Oh, you want to change what? What for what?
Just be you.
Yeah, just
Okay,
be
I
you.
am being mean.
Just be Chico.
Just be you, Chico.
Oh, I love those. Rum bug.
Just be.
I'm
Just
like,
be little. Just be cheek. Be Chico.
cheek and O.
I feel like Vi. I feel like.
can't see you.
You blind?
Now you're like, oh.
I feel like we all came for these socks and only Vi's the one who filled his up.
Yeah. And you guys did it.
I feel like I need to go to Ross
No, we
Rossi
should go
gonna
to
buy
Ross.
some expensive stuff in this dang
Check
thing.
it out.
or TJ Maxx.
TJ Maxx is more expensive than Ross.
But I bet you they'll have better stuff.
And what? Okay, so
You're
I'm
lucky it's a kid
hearing.
show.
I am hearing about filling up a sock. So you think this would fit in a
No,
sock?
that's for us to do at home.
Tell him, Chico.
Extra.
extra sauce.
Extra sauce.
No, it's not funny like that. It's really not funny. Didn't take me so extra though.
I need some body wash. I'm here at Walmart getting more stuff for me than I am for my sock.
Hey, with that fit on your... We're talking about filling up your socks, dude.
I know, but I need body wash because you used it all.
Oh, nigga.
He used my body wash. He used my socks. He used my underwear. Fatah gave him my shoes.
Hey, can you cut them off?
Cut
You're
who?
so rude. I don't wear your underwear ugly. We don't even fit each other's underwear.
I know, you wear a child size.
You wanna wear mine right now and try it out? Yeah.
I don't wear child size.
You know me, I'm Chico. I'm already famous, dude.
He's already famous.
Hey, you guys can't comment, look. Stop it.
I picked everything that's in there already.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, it's just me and her. Excuse you.
Excuse you.
It's a good bag
Yeah.
because I picked it.
No, I picked it.
Chico.
Excuse you, dude. Cut that off. Oh no.
You're putting that for you or for the sock?
Not for me.
Wow, we're here for socks.
Sorry.
Oh yeah.
Says the guy that's literally been shopping for himself.
All of my stuff that I got are essential needs. They're not wants. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her.
Hey.
Look at her.
Oh no, it's locked. I gotta get somebody to get it.
Look at her.
I'm out of glue.
No, I mean you grabbed the
Dang.
eyelashes, but it's not look like it's glue.
Y'all, they have to lock up the glue because of women getting so crazy with their lashes.
You're so dramatic.
That's how you know it's out of hand. None of this here is locked. None of this. None of this stuff behind me is locked. But eyelash glue is locked. There's a creepy person following me. You see him back there?
You scared me.
He scared me. Ooh, look at this line.
On the other side, yeah.
Look at this line. All right. Well, let's go get in line so we can go to Ross. Which Ross are we going to?
The one in Riverdale.
The one in Riverdale.
I'm gonna need you to stop being so aggressive. It is Vlogmas. You're supposed to be nice, and you're just being so aggressive.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive. What?
It's B-E aggressive. Not B-B.
Are you a cheerleader?
Yeah.
No. You don't know nothing.
Yes, you can do the you.
Look at that guy.
Yeah, the you.
Hold on, bro.
Yeah, I can do a cheerleader.
Ooh, get an
Let's
ugly,
see.
get an ugly sweater.
I can do this. Yeah.
I hope,
It hurt me a little bit.
I hope I got that on camera.
I did it for the camera. Damn, that shit hurt.
That hurts. He was twerking on the floor. Well, we tried to get a gag thing, but
And it failed.
the Walmart people don't know how to use their own registers. What type of Walmart is this? What are y'all doing? Y'all renting a movie? Who got it?
Yeah, this movie we're gonna watch.
Oh, I've seen that movie. It's good. They're trying to rent a movie and they don't even have a DVD player.
Hey,
You look good.
3.
You walk up now. That's the
That's Chico back there.
Leave it to Chico.
Mexican Santa.
Oh, was that?
Oh,
What he
I
was
just-
a Santa?
Are we really going to Ross?
She says so.
No, I was just making sure if we are or not.
You guys have Amazon Prime?
I do.
Why don't Your roommate don't have it, just you?
No, only I have it. I hold the master key.
I do. I'm like, wow. Okay.
Why you have all this junk back here?
Because I moved
You
to
guys
mommy's.
moved into mommy's. Now you're moving back home.
Don't ever put it in there so aggressively. All of this is bad.
I would vlog the back of the truck, but there's like a whole house back there. Okay.
Dude,
Where's
I
the car
like
go?
when you mean like that. I be mean to me.
Oh, there's the carts. Yeah. So I guess we're going to Ross to look for some more things. So, yeah, let's just go to Ross.
Irritating.
Now we at
I'll
Ross.
take it.
You gonna take the camera?
Yes, thank you. All right, y'all. We done made it here to Ross.
Don't get run over.
No.
Mama got ran over by a
We're
reindeer.
here at Ross right now. Gonna go in here and find what they have. These guys, they think I don't know how to work this camera. I know how to work this camera.
Security's gonna kick you out. Sorry, no cameras allowed.
Dang, you would set me up.
Shopping for a stylish new career?
Is that what you're shopping for?
I was asking you.
Oh, we could put a water bottle in here.
Hey,
This girl.
you know
What?
Claro que yo no piso
Good. Look at all these gifts that she could have got at Walmart.
What?
She's so irritating.
What?
Emmeline. Go find us something. Oh, shirt's this way. Oh, it's winter. It's cold.
XL.
É full
Really?
long sleeve.
Large?
Look at that black and white one.
Where? This is a medium.
Oh, I bet they have it in large. Oh my word, you guys. Look at these cute Christmas decorations. I've always wanted to go like white decor in my house, but then I got 4 kids or something. Guys, I don't even know how to use this. So it's fine. Oh, Jose. Oh, there it goes. Never mind. I know how to do it. Yes.
This one?
You better try it on, make sure it's not too big. Why? It's a thin one. Okay, smile for the camera. Look, boo. Smile for the camera. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Guys, what about some cute bathroom stuff? Hey, Emmeline. Smile for the camera. Are those shot glasses? Look at those.
Oh,
that's so funny. But that's not gonna fit in my thing.
A tall, skinny one.
No, it's gonna break off.
Central Perk.
I need one that comes in a box.
Oh. Okay, this is not the cup aisle, so no. Wrong aisle. You always drink to square Madden? Did you just say hi, Daddy?
I said hi, buddy, because he grabbed the cup.
Come this way.
But he's like,
He said, wow.
wow.
You're not my mom. What about one of those? Those are cute.
It's not a cup.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, I was so aggressive.
Gosh.
I kind of want to find like a Coca-Cola cup, like the ones that they had that night.
I know. That would be so funny. You gotta tell the story.
So we went to Denny's one night, and my brother-in-law, she asked what he wanted to drink.
Are we gonna state which brother-in-law?
Yeah, my brother-in-law, Emma. And the waitress asked him what he wanted to drink, and he was like, I want a cup of Coke, a cup of milk, and a cup of nothing. She could not figure out what he was saying.
She did not know what a cup of nothing is. What is a cup of nothing, Emmeline?
A cup of nothing. So that's what I'm gonna put in my stocking, is a cup of nothing.
Hopefully Cindy Ann gets it.
I'm trying to find like a Coke glass.
Come over
Oh
here.
my gosh, I just realized that I'm putting all of my gifts on camera, and all the sisters are gonna see it before this party.
That's fine. Oh, there's no more stuff over here. I'm sorry. I forget.
Oh my gosh.
The aggressiveness. I need you to stop. Hey, what about Titi?
Aw, Titi.
Titi is Ziggy, Evie's dog, and he is just the cutest. I want a dog because of Titi.
But you hate my dog?
Because I want a baby one.
He's not a baby.
Well, I'll stay a baby size. Okay, are we going back this way?
Or maybe we can go to the front.
Okay. Why did you bring me all the way over here?
It's so real today.
I got you the present, but I want to hide it from you.
So yeah, anyways, I really just want to go shopping for me, but this girl won't even freaking let me.
Because we're shopping for stockings.
Oh,
Run.
Chico. Every time he calls us, we hide. Oh, I'm sorry. Is that a little bit of authority in your voice?
It's not even there. No, we're just met out here.
Did you set it down somewhere
No,
when you were looking for your
I
shirt?
did. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Go with him on the adventure.
Here we go. On the hunt for his hinavai.
I got it.
Look, this guy went all the way out to the car and it's right. He found it. Hiding from Chico. Emmeline is right here. It's the Christmas music for me, boo. What shoes are gonna fit in the stocking, boo?
Absolutely nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Okay, yeah. So now we on. Look at these two.
But it's the same exact
What you doing?
I'm trying to.
Wow.
You have to.
What you doing?
Nate, to your register.
Stop leaning on stuff.
Oh boy.
God damn. You totally moved the whole thing.
Listen.
Michelle, you have a call on line 1, Michelle.
Free. It's free.
Hey. You know what? XL. If I can take it off, I think I will. Yeah.
What? Oh, would you like it black?
I was just wondering, cause this is how your shots are.
Wow, Jose. Wow, Jose.
Some people just don't know how to vlog.
I feel like now I'm gonna just build myself.
All right, we're gonna go do some more shopping. All right, we're here to eat. This is where Vi wanted to come eat because he feels like he's at home.
Back in Nampa.
Bad bitch.
Ooh, bad bitch slipper.
You should have done the twerk with those on.
Bad bitch slippers. And look.
Bad bitch.
That's going in the vlog.
For sure.
Oh, that's definitely going in the vlog.
No.
Woo! All right, we're gonna go into Chinese city buffet. It's a little buffet spot. We're gonna finish the night here.
Hey, dude! I said no. No more, Jose.
You knew the camera was recording and you gave consent.
No.
Oh, the lighting is probably good in here. Ooh, it's bright. It's kind of orange. Is this mine? Ooh, 100 pesos. Let's get out of here. We stayed until it's closed. This place is closing up shop. I don't know what she said. I shouldn't have ate all this food. It goes against my diet.
Yeah, I'm sick.
These two right here are bad influences. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Take me back to Idaho.
All right, well, that's the end of the vlog. We're out of here. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hope y'all like his
Thanks for
twerking.
taking me out.